Yeah, I thought it was quite empowering. I learned a lot more about social media, e-accessibility, internet safety, settings, and helping save money online as well, so financial inclusion aspect. I thought that it gave me like kind of a lot of ideas around perhaps how to work with our customers or clients, and perhaps some things that we can do to help to improve their lives, really.
Receiving the kit has been very useful. I mean, we have, at the moment, we run job clubs within this building on a Tuesday and a Friday. We also run a job club up in Upper Denby, which is part of our cluster, but 10 miles away from Rhyl. So having that kit available is just in addition to the computers and kit that we have, but it means that we can provide additional services to people.
Although I do work with computers every day, I'm not particularly good on things like Twitter and social media. So we gained quite a lot of knowledge about that. And when we were doing the micro teaches, everybody had a different individual topic to feed back and teach to the class. They all did different topics, and I learned about apps on like smartphones that people could use, and there was all information about shopping and security online and things like that, because I don't shop online myself, but a lot of the parents that I speak to do, so I was able to like speak to them about security online when they're doing the shopping and things like that. And again, it's just about gaining trust, improving their knowledge to help them be able to use IT to look for work eventually.
I think the overall impression from the team is that they feel more comfortable, maybe more empowered now to help people. They have the skills there to do it and deliver. They know how to access information to help them, and information then that will be able to pass on to our clients. And being more relaxed and being able to help people is really, really important to us and obviously to our clients.
We've been really fortunate to receive some kit from Digital Communities Wales, so we have that for anybody that comes in, because some people are actually a little bit afraid to come into the group if they don't have their own equipment. So that has been really good, because we've been able to tell people we have equipment here for them, so that's not really a barrier for them. So that's been really great. And also with the Tuesday group, like some of the groups, they already use tablets, but with the Tuesday group, most of them use laptops. So with the kit, we've been able to say to them, do you want to have a little go on a tablet, see if it's something you'd be interested in, rather than them be a bit scared to go into the shops to have a little bit of a go. So I can give them a little class here on the tablets and see if that's something they'd be able to use. And it's also really good with the kit. We are now looking at going out into the community. It's going to help us go out and reach more people in the community.
One gentleman we helped manage to scan in his certificate, get his CV all typed up and ready for him. We sent it off that day. He came back to see us the next day and basically told us if it hadn't gone off that day and without the help, he would have missed out getting a 6 months contract because he was unable to use computers. But with our help, he managed to get online. We assisted him through that, and he managed to get the job and is now working away for 6 months.